Hello, Harrisonite family. This is your brother and your friend, Harrison J. Zulu. And in this short video, I just want us to discuss about a certain topic. This is an important topic in physics. It is called radioactivity. So radioactivity is one of the important topics that each student about to write their exams needs to know. So if you are about to write your exams, you are a grade 12 or a GCE candidate, this is an important topic that you need to know and understand. First thing first, you need to know what radioactivity is. So you need to ask yourself, what is radioactivity? What are certain things that I'm supposed to know? First thing is definition. You need to know the definition itself. What is radioactivity? So you know and understand that radioactivity is just a spontaneous disintegration of any unstable nuclei emitting alpha and beta particles and gamma rays. So whenever we are talking about radioactivity, you know that we are just talking about an unstable nuclei, a nucleus that is not stable. When it breaks down, it emits three things. These are three radiations. It can emit an alpha particle and a beta particle. These are particles. And a ray, which is a gamma ray. So this is something that you need to know, something you need to get and understand. After understanding this, you now need to go to the characteristics of the emissions. How does a beta particle behave, gamma ray, and an alpha particle? So you need to know what is an alpha particle by nature. You need to know the mass of these things. You need to know the charges of these emissions, which are alpha and beta particles and gamma ray. Maybe you are surprised. The reason why I'm saying alpha and beta particles and gamma ray. Those of you that do English, you may tell me that no, you are not supposed to say alpha. And after understanding the characteristics of the emissions, you need to now go to to beta decays. So you need to know beta decay, gamma decay, so radioactive decay. I can just say radioactive decay. You need to know alpha decay, beta decay, and gamma decay. What happens if a particle emits a gamma ray? What happens if a particle emits a beta decay, alpha decay? These things you need to know them. After understanding this, that's when you move forward. You now go to half-life. Half-life is just time taken for any radioactive substance to decay by half of its present mass. So all these things, you are supposed to know them. So I'm just summarizing them. I'm just starting here and there. So everything that I've shared with you, you need to know. You need to know how to plot a graph for half-life. You need to know how to answer questions pertaining to half-life. So all these, once you understand all these, then you are good to go and write any question under radioactivity. So for those of you interested in starting lessons with us, you may call me on my number, WhatsApp me. I add you to the group now. If you are a GC candidate for 2025, we've started online lessons. This is the right time for you to join us. So my number is 0971 066747. We do mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, as well as English language. We are here to help you get a distinction. This is your brother and your friend. Thank you so much.